If SketchUp is showing a fail to open document error or your file crashes every time you try to open it, don't worry. In most cases, this does not mean your work is gone forever. It usually means the file is corrupted or SketchUp is struggling with the location, graphics engine, or backup files connected to it. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can recover your model as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy SketchUp troubleshooting guides. First, let's talk about the most effective workaround, and that is using the import method instead of opening the file directly. This is one of the best things to try when SketchUp refuses to open a model normally. Start by launching SketchUp and opening a new blank template. You want a clean workspace with no old file already loaded. Once SketchUp is open, go to File, then Import. Now browse to the SketchUp file that is giving you trouble and select it. If the file imports successfully, click once in the workspace to place it. After that, save it immediately as a new file with a different name. This often works because importing can strip away the corrupted data that was causing the direct open to fail. In many cases, this simple step is enough to recover the model. If that does not work, the next thing to try is switching graphics engines. SketchUp 2026 introduced a new graphics engine, and while it is great for performance, some models with heavy textures, complex geometry, or high poly components can cause problems. If SketchUp opens normally, go to Window, then Preferences, then Graphics. Look for the graphics engine setting and switch between New and Classic. If you are already on New, try Classic. If you're on Classic, try New. After changing it, restart SketchUp completely and then try opening the file again. Sometimes the issue is not the file itself, but the way SketchUp is rendering it, so this fix can make a big difference. Now let's check for ghost autosaves or backup files. Sometimes SketchUp is not failing on the main file, but the backup version can actually open more reliably. Go to the folder where your SketchUp file is stored. Look for a file with the same name as your model, but ending in .skb. That is the backup file. Right-click it, choose Rename, and change the extension from .skb to .skp. Be careful to only change the extension, not the full file name. Once that is done, try opening the renamed file in SketchUp. It may be slightly older than your latest save, but is often stable enough to recover your work. This is a very useful trick when the main file will not open at all. Another important thing to check is file location. If you are trying to open the file directly from a USB drive, a network drive, or a cloud-synced folder like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox, that can sometimes cause file corruption or access issues. The safest approach is to copy the file to your desktop first, and then open the local copy from there. This removes any connection issues and gives SketchUp a better chance of opening the model cleanly. If the file opens from the desktop but not from the original location, then you have found the problem. You should also make sure SketchUp is fully updated. Updates often include fixes for file opening bugs, graphics compatibility, and stability improvements for large or complex models. If you are using an older version, go into SketchUp and check for updates, then install the latest release available. A fully updated version can solve issues that seem like file corruption when they are actually software bugs. If you are still stuck after trying these steps, remember the order matters. Start with the import workaround, then switch graphics engines, then test the .skb backup file, then move the file to your desktop, and finally update SketchUp. In many cases, one of these steps will get your model open again without needing any advanced recovery tools. So to recap, if SketchUp gives you a failed to open document error, it is usually caused by corruption, graphics engine conflicts, or file location problems. The best fix is to import the file into a clean SketchUp session, save a fresh copy, and then test the other recovery steps if needed. I hope this helped you get your file open again. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more SketchUp tips and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.